Should we try making a smoothie with this one? Okay, let's try and make a smoothie. We're just gonna wing it. Read the instructions before you try to make one. I, however, am not going to. We're done with this. Oh, hi. Grub-a-dub-dub. For the most part, a hand fits in there, which is nice, you know, to be able to clean it, right? To scrub it and stuff. Because sometimes I know with fruits like strawberries or like chia seeds, they really get stuck to the bottom of your smoothie cup. I'm excited to try this. You know, it's funny when you get older, like the things that excite you, like getting a vacuum is exciting. Isn't that funny? Like when you get older, it's so silly. Silly stuff excites you, like, or like cleaning supplies. Someone would ask me like, oh, what do you have to look forward to when you become an adult and you don't get health? Like, oh, you're excited about vacuums and cleaning supplies and blenders. Like, okay. What do we use? We got blueberries. We got peaches. We got pineapple. We're not going to use that, but we're going to probably strawberries. You know what? We are going to use some pineapple. I've had it in there for a while and we should use it up. It is fresh pineapple. And then I like, it's the Daya, I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's dairy-free, made with coconut cream. It's a yogurt alternative. It's so good. But only the vanilla bean is good. And we're going to use a little bit of this diet cranberry juice. And mainly water. I don't do exact measurements when I make smoothies. I usually just kind of eyeball it. Sometimes they turn out thick, sometimes they turn out thin. It's just, is what it is. Let's start with our blueberries. Oh, that's too much. We're gonna go with about that much. DJ just walked in. We'll do about that much peaches. Some strawberries. That's a new bag. It, like, if strawberries are in season, you could buy them for cheap, fresh, and then freeze them if you wanted to. But just for me personally, it's just more convenient, and they are already washed. When they freeze them, they're frozen at their peak time, like when they're the freshest, right? So it's, I don't know. And I don't think freezing them makes any nutritional, like, doesn't decrease the value for nutrition. So yeah, just convenience, really. Like bananas that I throw in smoothies. It just depends, right? Like sometimes it's cheaper to buy this big bag of frozen blueberries than a whole, like, or a little tiny one, right? So that's why we're not going to put much of this in because we are running out of room already. That's all we're going to do. We're running out of room. And we're going to add, I usually only do 1 big tablespoon of chia seeds. You can do 2, whatever. You do you. I'll do about 2-ish tablespoons. But this is a rather large smoothie, so we're going to do 3. Oh, we're going to do 4. Because why not? Oh, shit. And we're going to add we're gonna go with that. But this one, per 1 cup, it's only 10 calories, so I usually just go with this stuff. But I drink the regular kind too. It doesn't really make a difference. But if you are trying to watch your calories, like if you're trying to do like smoothies that are fewer in calories, definitely look up the certain fruits. Like I know certain fruits are way higher, like bananas. I think berries are usually. It does have a max fill line, and we are pushing it, so let's test it out. I usually shake it, but maybe I shouldn't bother. See if it do it on its own. Those are stuck up there. Holy man, I don't know if that'll blend it. Okay. Okay, so it has kind of these, what would you call these, ridges, and they won't go in if they're not in the correct spot. It needs to be plugged in. Oh god. It's got a zip tie? What do you call that? Okay. Let's try this. Okay, I think it said for the cups to screw on the blade assemble clockwise until you have a tight seal, which we did. Turn cup upside down and lower it onto the base, which we did. Turn cup clockwise to lock it into place. We didn't do, but we did now. Start by pulsing the single serve button 3 to 4 times to blend down tough ingredients, then blend to desired consistency. Okay. I don't know what to do. Oh, power. There's a power button. Okay, power button. It's on. Power button is on. I'm gonna press pulse because that's what it says to do. Nothing is happening. Nothing is. It doesn't work. It's like a button. Okay, it has I'm just gonna show you because that's ridiculous. It has a pulse button, and it told me start by pulsing the single serve button. Oh, start by single serve button. I thought it meant the pulse button. Lordy. Okay. Wow, okay. It's quite loud. It's pretty loud, eh? Which is kind of crazy. I'm just gonna do it a couple more times. It's so loud though, that's the downfall. Okay. So it is kind of thick, which is okay. For reference, if I were to make this thick of a smoothie in the Magic Bullet, it wouldn't even blend all the ingredients, but this looks completely blended through. So, yeah. And I would say 10 out of 10. Pretty good. But it's pretty loud. So that's kind of a downfall. But it's very powerful. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace. I'm gonna drink this smoothie and have to pee all night because it's huge. Pretty good. Usually my Magic Bullet, it like overheats because because I like them so thick, so it takes like, a minute or so and it overheats and then I can't even use it. But yeah. Thanks for watching. That's my review on the Ninja Professional. You know what? Let's bake something next time. Bake something next. I don't know what it is, but I got it. Next time on Cooking with next time on Cooking with Amy. Alright, next time on Cooking with Amy, we're gonna make another video.